Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix NVIDIA graphics card not detector. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to completely remove old NVIDIA driver from your system. For that, you need to enter into your device manager. Over there, please enter into the display adapter and NVIDIA GeForce and uninstall it. So once you uninstalled your NVIDIA, please refresh multiple times with the device manager. It automatically recreate your NVIDIA installation or your files. So our second step is to update Windows. For that, you need to enter into the Windows update and please click check for update. If you have any issues on that, please do check out my other video. So our third step is to repair Windows system files. For that, you need to enter into the CMD as run as administrator mode and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it on the CMD. And it need to be load from 0 to 100, so it will take at least 5 to 10 minutes to load. So once it loaded, please copy the second prompt in the description and paste it over the CMD. As I told before, the same, you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It need to be load from 0 to 100. Once it loaded, please check the status whether it's gonna be on success or it's failed. If it's failed, you need to do it again. Yeah, it seems to be success. So fourth step is to restart NVIDIA services. For that, you need to enter into the services as run as administrator mode. And please scroll down, you may see NVIDIA services. So over there, you need to right click and restart the services. So after restart, please enter into the properties and make sure you are in automatic and the service status to be in running. So the same you need to do for NVIDIA local system container. You need to restart it, and again after its restart you need to enter into the properties and automatic and check the status. Yeah, it's running. So apply and click OK. The first step is to set NVIDIA GPU as default. For that, you need to enter into your NVIDIA and then make it as high performance NVIDIA process and click restore. Yeah, once it's done, our sixth step is to install driver through device manager. For that, you need to enter into your device manager and enter into the display adapter and update the NVIDIA GeForce. Most of the time it will be in up-to-date condition, so nothing to worry. So our last step is to restart your system. So once you're done with all the steps, the issue will be solved. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.